Good morning, dear student. SBPS online classes. We study now topic Phanro games. We discussion two crypto games, and the Phanro games are flowering plant. So the flowering plant is the seed are present. Seed are present in plant. Seed are present in plant. For the flowering plant, any first group is group first gymnosperm. So the gymnosperm is the naked seed plant. Gymnosperm is the naked seed plant. जिम्नोस्पर्म के जितने भी पौधे हैं इनके अंदर जो भी सीड डेवलप होते हैं वो मुख्यतः नेकेड होते हैं और फॉर एग्जांपल है साइकस पाइनस. So the naked seeded plant for the cycas and pinus is the second group for the gymnosperm. The gymnosperm is the largest plant of the world. One is sequoia. Sequoia is the largest plant in 364 feet. It's the largest plant. So the length of the is 366 feet of the largest plant of the plant kingdom in gymnosperm. 366 feet is found in sequoia for the gymnospermic plant. And second is angiosperm. Angiosperm is the covered seeded plant. एंजियोस्पर्म इज द कवर्ड सीडेड प्लांट. इनके ऊपर बीज आवरण या कोटिलिडन्स आर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं प्लांट के अंदर. तो कोटिलिडन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट. So the cotyledons is the present in plant for the angiospermic plant. The angiospermic plant for two types. First type is monocot, and second is dicot. Angiosperm are two types, monocot or dicot. Monocot is the one cotyledons are the present in plant for the called as monocot plant, and dicotyledons is the dicot. Two cotyledons are present in plant for the called as dicot plant. So the example of beet and rice are the monocot plant. Dicot, mustard, mango are the dicot plants. So the monocot plant and dicot plant for the two group in the gymnosperm or angiosperm. One group is cycas and pinus are the present in gymnosperm. Angiosperm is the cotyledons are the present in plant for the monocot plant and dicot plant. दो प्रकार के पौधे हैं मोनोकोटिलिडन्स, एक बीजपत्री और द्विबीजपत्री. एक बीजपत्री वो पौधे जिनके अंदर गुरूर में वन बीजपत्र या ओनली वन सीड कॉड प्रेजेंट रहता है, उन पौधों को हम मोनोकॉट कहते हैं. और जिनके अंदर टू डाइकॉट यानी 2 सीड कॉट आर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, उन पौधों को हम डाइकॉट कहते हैं। तो मस्टर्ड एंड मैंगो आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द morphologically and externally. For the angiosperm is the largest plant of the any kingdom in angiosperm plant. For the largest plant of animal, largest plant of plant kingdom is eucalyptus. It is the 100 feet. Angiospermic is the largest plant. Eucalyptus is the 100 feet, and Gymnosperm is the largest plant, 366 feet of the plant kingdom. So this is the Gymnospermic plant is the largest plant of kingdom. Largest plant of world. विश्व में यह लार्जेस्ट प्लांट जो है वो मुख्यतः कॉर्सिकुआ एंड एंजियोस्पर्मिक जो प्लांट लार्जेस्ट है वो यूकेलिप्टस है, इज द 100 फीट का है, और सिकुआ तो 366 फीट का है। So the gymnospermic plant Sequoia and angiospermic plant is the eucalyptus is the dicot plant. ठीक, so the different the morphologically we discussion to next topic are as Whitaker is the classification to be study for the next. ठीक, thanks watching for you.